Hey there. All right, number 20 is looking for four things. And so it's looking for like your total current or your amps, your total resistance, the value of R1, and the voltage total. Okay? So it's a four answer kind of question. So I don't have amps, I don't have volts, and I don't have R1. Okay? So I really don't have a lot to work with here. And so what we can do is we could set up an equation, and we know that at R1 it's losing 1 volt. That's the voltage drop. Again, the blue lines and the little arrows on the screen or on the sheet of paper are just saying, like, if you put a multimeter across that resistor, it's losing 1 volt. Down here it's got 2 volts. Okay, so let's try this. I'm going to put 10 over 2x over 1. And I'm going to set those equal to each other. Okay? So I multiply these, I get 10. I multiply these, so I cross multiply, I get 2x. Divide by 2 to get x by itself, and x equals 5. Okay? But again, I had this as 10k, so this is actually 5k. Okay, so that is 5k, and that one we can put in. All right, now you can do that same setup. You can do that same setup for this next one. So you could do 5k over 1 equals 15k over x. If you cross multiply, you should get your voltage for this one, and you should be able to find the voltage for this one using the same cross multiplying. All right. This one is easy. R3 we know is 2 volts because it is 2 volts here. So you'll have to solve this one, and this one, and you can add those together to find your voltage total. If you know your voltage total, your resistance total, you can find current. Okay, so resistance total again is R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. You have all 5. Very easy now to solve that. So you'll have to answer all 4 of those questions.